So the cellulose fibre is a lot better when it comes to fire, and we'll just G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the links and we're happy to help you out. G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. Just doing a product review on 3 different products for fire. So we've got the polyester bats, and they're actually the king of bats. If you need a bat to put in, I'd definitely recommend those. They're a lot less prone to rats or mice digging in them and building nests in them. They're non-allergenic and not itchy like the fiberglass ones can be. This here is actually quite unusual. This is actually polyurethane, and we pulled this out of a house. I've already actually done a flame test on the other side, but I'll show you what happens when we put a flame on that, because it's a bit interesting. And this is of course the cellulose fibre. This is what we manufacture here in Lowood, and it's fire and vermin retardant to the Australian standards. You won't get any rats or mice burrowing. It'll build nests in it, and it kills any ants, spiders, cockroaches, silverfish. So I'll just show you what happens when we do put flames on these things. There's a flame there. Now, if I put the flame on the polyester, even though it meets the standard, it just cuts through like that. Now, if we put the flame on the cellulose fibre, we can hold that flame there. It doesn't recede from a flame, and you can have that flame there for a long, long time. And this is the only product that can actually assist to save your home in the fire. You see it just goes out very quickly. This polyurethane stuff was made illegal to put in residential houses, because that's, that's why. It's actually a bit windy here. I'll just come around the other side. But stand out of the fumes, guys. Right? But this stuff just catches fire. Now, you imagine if we put polyester bats over the top of that, which a lot of people do, right? It doesn't actually stop the flame at all, right? So it's just, the flame will just cut through that and keep burning that polyurethane underneath it, aside from killing everybody in the shed here. So the cellulose fibre is a lot better when it comes to fire, and we'll just put that out with a bit of cellulose. Chuck the cellulose in there. Okay, so you can see the difference. If you had a house fire, why you wouldn't want to have this polyurethane, and you wouldn't want to have polyester bats or fiberglass bats perform about the same. They don't melt like this, but they do melt away from the flame and expose your joist timbers to the flame. Whereas the cellulose fibre, you can see here, even on the flame test, it's actually only burned in like a couple of millimetres into the top of that cellulose there. All right.